Good morning, apes. Yes, I shaved my beard. Got tired of it. So, interesting. Hycroft Mine, HYMC. We have a lot of data coming out. One, we are up we are up over 100% now, which is absolutely amazing. I'm blown away. I knew it was going to happen, but I'm still blown away. I'm so happy everybody got to make money, man. Like, you guys deserve it. You did the DD, you did the research, you were patient, you held, you made your money. Now, am I saying to take profits? No, I'm not telling you what to do because this isn't financial advice. It's entertainment purposes only. If you have to take some profits to make sure you get out and have some money, there's nothing wrong with that. Taking 10% on a 100% run is logical, okay? So don't dime in hand until you end up with nothing. It's just take some profit and take yourself out and treat yourself to something nice or pay a bill. Profit taking is part of the whole game. So anyways, we had massive retail FOMO. Shorts did not cover. Short interest went down, but shorts did not cover, and I'll tell you why. The short interest is now, when you take the number of shares sold short and divide it by the free float, you get your short interest, right? Right now, that's what that's showing on FinTel, okay? Shorts didn't cover. We went from a small-sized float to a much larger-sized float overnight, from like 60 million to 107 million. So short interest changed in accordance with that. I also want to talk about, too, the off-exchange short volume ratio is 48.76%. But when you really look at the numbers, which I thought I had up, but I didn't, it was 107 million shares traded short off exchange in volume, which is 96% of the current flow. So don't listen to any FUD coming out saying shorts covered, it's all over, but shorts did not cover. The short interest data looks like it got lower or worse or whatever you want to call it, but that's not the case. It's just been adjusted for the at-the-money offering that has happened in the past couple of weeks. We are looking extremely good on this stock. Everything's bullish. Pre-market's crazy, just like after hours and pre-market's just wild with the stock because there's so much going on before 7 p.m. And I'll tell you why that is. There's too many brokers that do not allow people to trade before 7 p.m., like Fidelity. And now Robinhood has just announced that it's extending its trading hours. So it's really strange that this all happens before that time. So it ran up to 342 in the pre-market, came back down, bounced 290, and now we're just kind of working our way sideways into opening, which if it does drop to 255 at open, I wouldn't be surprised. If it does, I'm actually going to buy more because I think it's just going to fill that gap, and then we're going to work our way back up over the $3 level. That's just my personal investment plan. Guys, we are how many days away from, we're 2 days away from the earnings call. All they have to do, and it's got to be the truth, which it probably will be, is announce that they have a high grade find, which they said in their 2021 prelim. It's absolutely crazy to short the stock when you now have $1.51 in cash on hand per share, which is more than the debt they carry on their books. It's absolutely crazy to short this company. So let's go back over these press releases real quick. Here's the 2021 prelim. Go to the Hycroft website too, you guys. Go check it out. It's freaking amazing. So right here, during the 2021 drill program, Hycroft encountered positive assay results, further supporting the strategy to enhance the deposit through exploration drilling. So they had higher grade intercepts, 102 intercepts averaging 4.1 grams per metric ton of gold and 85.3 grams of ton per silver. That's really high for silver. That's a very good find. Now the recent near surface high grade material was encountered in the Porter area of the deposit, which intervals 3 meters, grading 9.13 grams a ton per gold and 32.55 grams a ton per silver. The 9.13 grams of ton per gold, you guys, is absolutely amazing. It's a really good find. So if they announce that they are going to move into these different high grade areas of the mine and put the cash we gave them now into operation in those areas during times of exceedingly high gold and silver prices, which silver is expected to go up higher, so is gold. But there's been major talk in the markets about silver being the most undervalued precious metal out there right now. So with all that in mind, and Hycroft actually tweeting, sorry, I should have had it pulled up. Hycroft tweeted this the other day in response to Adam Aaron on the red carpet. Or no, I'm sorry, on Jim Cramer. We love seeing AMC and HYMC together in the morning. While our industries may differ, our drive to survive and thrive is the same. CO Adam and AMC know that the future is golden and silver, wink. Great interview, Adam. And it was a very good interview. Kramer tried to kind of put him in a corner, didn't work. The silver, you guys, I know everybody's got gold fever, and believe me, I do too. But let me explain that silver is used way more in industrial applications than gold is, even though gold is very important. Don't get me wrong, I'm not bashing gold. But the amount of silver that is going to be necessary to keep up with the demand in semiconductors, I mean, hell, they even use silver in medicine. Silver has like really good antibacterial properties, apparently. I was reading that the other night. It's used in pharma. Silver has so many uses for so many different applications as the most malleable, usable, manipulatable metal on earth, from alloys to just pure silver, that Hycroft is literally sitting on $15 billion of it. And if they find any really high grade deposits that they can pull out of the ground at a cost advantage, they are going to absolutely crush their earnings this year. So Q4 at the end of this year, I could see being really good. So I'm going to stick in with, I have 10,000 shares left. I am holding it. I'm not selling it. I think this is way more than a $5 stock. That's just my personal opinion. I think we're going to see a lot of volatility, obviously, because we're in a type of squeeze situation right now and it's hot on the market. But I'm going to hold. It's nothing but good news. Shorts didn't cover. We're getting ready to come into market open. So I hope you guys all have a good day. Manage your expectations, breathe. If the market's not doing anything, don't get down. I know the excitement is almost more addicting than making the money. So, just go out and enjoy your day and do your thing. Set your alerts and don't panic over what the movement of the price is doing. No, calm, cool, collected. So you guys have a good day. Enjoy market open. Froggy